I'm Dr. Mohammad Shujudri, MSCOO7 version. Welcome to Kids Class Champion. So Kids Class we discuss about in case of first your own language, father tongue, mother language. In case of Bangla, in your own language, a poem. In case of my language, Allah Shukti, Allah Bhukti, Allah Shanti, Allah Mukti, Allah Jog, Allah কথা মতো জগ। এটা তো আগে লিখছি, তো আমার জন্য সময় স্টার্ট। নিজ ভাষায় একটা স্রষ্টাকে নিয়ে একটা কবিতা লিখতে হবে। পয়েন্ট। আল্লাহ তুমি অবিনশ্বর, আমি তোমার এক অতি সাধারণ নগণ্য সৃষ্টি মোহাম্মদ সোহেল নশ্বর। তোমার দ্বারা সৃষ্টি রূপান্তর নিয়ন্ত্রণ ধ্বংস। তুমি এক অদ্বিতীয় স্রষ্টা, আল্লাহ সুবহান বই কি অন্য কেউ নয়। এখন তোমরা শুরু করো। আচ্ছা, এটা তোমাদের হোমওয়ার্ক। দেন ইংলিশ, দিস পোয়েম ট্রান্সলেট টু ইংলিশ। ইন কেস অফ মি, আল্লাহ তুমি অবিনশ্বর, না তোমার দরকার না, আল্লাহ তুমি অবিনশ্বর, one and only creator Allah, you are constant remain, never create, never destroy. बस হয়ে গেছে, just like that. Homework. Now you Bangla English gone. Math, solve the math. root 1 root 0 equal to কত? রুটের ফর্মুলা কি? ফাইন। root 1 root 2 root 3 root 4 root 5 root 6 root 7 root 8 root 9 root 10 root 11 root 3 13 root 14 root 15 root 16 root 17 root 18 19 20. ওকে ফাইন। রুটের ওইখানে 2 স্কয়ার দিলে ওকে ফাইন। তারা রুটের এখানে root to the power 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 root 10 root to the power 4 কত হলো? কত হবে জানেন না? 2.5 গুণ 4 4 okay fine, just like that for example. Okay fine, that is your homework. Now we go to the own language, English, math. Now in case of math, what is the billion? What is the meaning of million? What is the meaning of billion? What is the meaning of trillion? Now you solve the 100 99 into 99 99 into 99 how much? 99 divide 99 99 plus 99 99 minus 99. Okay fine. Okay fine. আচ্ছা, ম্যাথ ক্লাস, ম্যাথে 1 থেকে 20 কমপ্লিট করছিলাম আমরা। 1 থেকে 20 এর নামটা 1 থেকে 20। নাও একটা নামটা কমপ্লিট করো 21। 21 plus 1 22 1 plus 2 সূত্র সেম। 21 গুণ 1 equal to 21 20 গুণ 21 গুণ 2 22 plus 22 44 22 plus 3 22 44 plus 22 66. Okay fine. বুঝতে পারছো? জি, বাস ম্যাথ Then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30. Homework. Without calculator, try. Now own language, English, then math. Now we go to the math, physics, type of energy. What is kinetic energy? If and on moving, kinetic energy. If moving particle, hot moving particle, hot energy moving particle contain, that is kinetic energy. What type of energy? What is energy? Energy also creation, created by creator, can change, can create, can control by creator, can increase, can decrease by creator. What is the criteria of energy? Creation energy, go to the one type to another type, go to the one form to another form by the law of creator, by the permission of creator. What is the fundamental law of energy? Energy never create, never destroy, that is for creation. Creation energy, we describe creation energy never create, never destroy, that is for creation, not for creator. Creator can create all creation, not only energy but also all creation. Creation is space, time. How time created? When no creation not create, creator remain that time. And how creation, if creation is not created, if creation is not created, how creation time alive? If creator destroy all creation, then creation is not present. Who calculate time? Creation time also die. Okay, fine. Although that is not creator good, not do that. Okay, fine. And just understand for understanding. Now we go to the math. By math, creator is one and only proof every subject by your own language. Creator created all creation as a formula. Creator created all creation, also language. Reading give our knowledge, brain, read and writing point. That is the reason we can read and write. So creator one and only by own language, then international language also. Then in case of math, reading, writing, that is the reason we calculate. That is in math field, creator also one and only. If creator more than one, what happen? In math, the all creation pi, for example, is divided. And law of division. How much creator? That much division. But that is not present in sun, moon, earth, solar panel. What we see? Sun divided? No. Moon divided? Earth divided? No. No division. That is proven that creator is one and only in field of math. Now in field of physics, the law of if creator is more than one, the law of physics is changed. How much creator? That much changing. The law of physics is not changed. That is the fundamental law of physics. Energy never create, never destroy. That is for creation, not for creator. Go to the one form to the another form by the permission of creator, by the law of creator. That is the reason by physics field, also creator is one and only proof. If creator more than one, how much creator? That much changing. But that is not all. The sun moving, you see, east to west, earth moving, sun also moving, earth also moving. In case of earth relativity, I sit down, you also sit down. If anyone moving, then by the basis of us, he or she is moving. But in case of earth, somebody moving, somebody not moving. Relativity. By the basis of two object or two person or two particle. In case of sun, in case of earth continuously moving. So by the basis of earth, I sit down, I am also moving. You are also moving by the basis of earth relativity. But by the basis of sun relativity, sun also moving, earth also moving. By the basis of solar panel, sun also moving, solar panel also moving. By the basis of Milky Galaxy center point also moving, solar panel also moving. What about universe? If universe moving, what happen? By the basis of universe, Universe, not movie. Milky Galaxy movie. Okay, fine. By the basis of universe, we are stable, not moving. By the basis of solar Milky Galaxy, solar planet also moving. In solar planet, sun also moving, earth also moving. We also moving. By the basis of each other, we are not moving. Okay, fine. That is relativity. And time also moving. In case of earth, by the basis of day, sun and light, 24 hours. And how much second? 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. 60 minute equal to 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. 60 minute equal to 1 hour. 24 hours equal to day. In case of other planet, maybe 20 hours, maybe 80 days. The rotation of planet with sun depend on rotation of planet. How much time necessary to rotate the sun? In our planet, 24 hours, equal more or 24 hours. In case of other planet, maybe more equal or more or less. That depend on that planet. Okay, fine. Now you know that the clock. Bus, math. Now you know that the physics your homework is potential energy. What is potential energy? What energy contain an atom? And in case of fundamental substance, an atom, how much energy contain? Then fundamental substance, fundamental unit of H2O, 2 hydrogen atom, 1 oxygen atom. Fundamental unit of water, how much energy contain, maintain, obtain? Okay, fine. Hydrogen 1 electron, proton, neutron, 2 hydrogen, 2 electron, proton, neutron, and oxygen, how much you say? See the atomic table. I not still not memorize. 8 or 16. 8. Number atomic table. How much number? That much. Electron, proton, neutron. Okay, fine. But you math calculation that how much electron? H2O. How much equal to how much electron, proton, neutron? H2 1 unit of H2O. How much electron, proton, neutron contain? Calculate. That is your homework. Now we go to the chemistry. Fundamental unit of any substance, if any substance make or made up of same atom, one type of atom or same atom, it is called fundamental substance. If any substance made up of more than one type of atom, that is complex substance. Fundamental substance contain fundamental unit, complex substance contain complex unit. That is the chemistry. In chemistry field, is one and only improvement. When fundamental in chemistry field, atom, how you improvement? The fundamental law of chemistry, what is? Particle, every particle contain electron, proton. The atom, single atom, hydrogen atom, you found the electron, proton, neutron. 92 uranium you go, 92 electron, proton, neutron. In case of stable, same atom. Law of chemistry. If keto is more than 1, how much keto? That much in discipline in atom. Okay, fine. The fundamental particle of the fundamental component of atom is also disturbed, but fundamental component of atom is not disturbed. Same. That is the sign keto is one and only. Also in chemistry field. So physics, chemistry, now botany, prokaryotic cell, microbiology. Prokaryotic like virus, bacteria. You discuss laboratory common virus, bacteria. Now you go to the HIV virus. What is the precaution about HIV virus? Sexual crime. Is it come from the bestiality, animal sex with monkey or other? I don't know, just fun. So no bestiality, no sexual crime. No rape, no murder, no terrorism, no blackmailing, no sexual crime. No rape, no murder, no terrorism, no blackmailing. No psychosexual disorder like gay, lesbianism. No bestiality or animal sex. No sexual crime, no sexual harassment, no teasing, no interest, no gambling, no cheating, no humor, no corruption, no bad animal like pig, no bad addiction like heroin, cocaine, apim, ganja, yaba, harpacet, coke. Don't tell Elena without negligible. Don't harm each other without negligible. Don't quarrel each other without negligible reason. If you do that, your DNA clearance reduce. What is DNA? What thing? DNA contains nucleotide adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. The combination of with hydrogen bond, the combined remain in your hair follicle. Also in your cell chromosome. Chromosome contains gene, gene contains gene sequence is DNA. Unit, DNA unit is nucleotide adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. What is that? Amino acid, as per science. Okay, fine. So my friend supporter, now you know that. Champ, if you do anything, your DNA clearance reduce, then cell power reduce, then light power. Then if your DNA clearance go to the below the 33, weak and die. Auto die system. So not do that. Believe one and only creator, believe one and only creator and follow the rules regulation of one and only creator. As a Muslim I say one and only creator name Allah, Ya Allah. Other ones say God, Ishwar, Bhagavan, Khuda, Mabudullah. Not fight for creator name, fight for understanding. If creator is one religion is truth. Who is the truth religion? Knocking at the door of knowledge, follow that. Now we go to the religious. In case of Muslim, Islam. In case of other religious book. Okay, fine. Now we go to the also religious complete book, also complete. Now physics, chemistry, botany. Now go to the botany. In case of botany, which would be this more? Which from search the YouTube? Which would be by which would be we earn more white money and our country or our country environment suitable for that tree. Search that tree and read that tree. Okay, fine. Understand? Okay, fine. And animal, that is botany homework. Zoology, which animal is more valuable in the world? In our environment, in our jungle, if that animal present or not. If present, then study about that. If not present, which animal is more valuable in our country? That animal read. Which tree is more valuable in our country? And in our country environment, which trees have capability? Read that. First worldwide, then countrywide. Animal tree, botany and zoology. First worldwide tree animal, then countrywide tree animal. What is the reason? By that process, we how much? Your dog and your pet animal, dog, rat. But if you that animal you earn white money, which animal, which tree? You read about that animal, that tree, and you take care of that and earn white money. That is the reason. Okay, fine. Now botany, zoology. Now medical science. Medical science, see your pulse. 3 seconds, 5 seconds. Pound. Yes, pound. Okay, fine. 5 seconds. 5 into 12. How much? 5 seconds you pound. 5 into 12. 5 into 12, 60. 60 seconds equal more or less 60 beat per minute. Now pulse, temperature. See the your temperature, not hot. Thermometer, utilize thermometer. How utilize the thermometer? No. Now blood pressure. You check the blood pressure. And your bowel movement is normal. Stool passing, normal. Bowel passing, normal or increase, decrease, normal. Okay. Urine passing, painful urination or not. In your abdomen, bowel sound and boot. The bowel sound is normal or not. Equally 1 minute, 1 to 3, 1 or 3, 1 2, 1 2. But if found more than 1 bowel sound, disturbing abdomen. Okay, fine. That is your homework. Now you also see your heartbeat, apex area, stethoscope, beneath your nipple. Okay, fine. Left sided nipple. Okay, fine. Found? Yes. In case of medical student, mid-clavicular line. Okay, fine. 5th intercostal space, just beneath to the nipple. Stethoscope washes. Here use heart sound. Fine. Today is enough from Chem class. Anything? The Homo sapiens scientific name, human or mankind scientific name, Homo sapiens. that is your homework. Homo sapiens. What is the criteria of Homo sapiens? Scientific name, human scientific name is Homo sapiens. What is the criteria of Homo sapiens? Thank you very much. Today is from champ class, and we wanna be a champion by worksheet, not word. We wanna honors marks in our worksheet, and creator prize our one at judgment day. Creator prize our worksheet. We believe one and only creator and follow the rules. Try to follow the rules regulation of one and only creator. One and only creator at judgment day judge. Great one and only judge our worksheet, not one. Thank you very much. Today is enough. Hopefully one and only creator forgive us and blessing us, continuous blessing. Thank you very much. As a Muslim, Allah is the one and only creator, except Allah, Krishna, lasting peace.